Welcome grade 12 Life Sciences. So today we will be focusing on the female reproductive system. We are mainly going to focus on the ovarian and uterine cycle and how they work simultaneously in the female body. So let's get a little background insight. Do we understand what a menstrual cycle is? If not, it's the monthly shedding of the inner lining of a female's uterus, which we normally call it a period. This cycle consists of two main cycles, the uterine and ovarian cycle, which progresses over a 28-day period. Look at the two cycles on its own. Let's do the ovarian cycle first. The ovarian cycle is divided into three main phases. Let's look at the first one. So around about day 1 to day 14, a hormone is secreted by the hypophysis known as FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. This stimulates the development of a primary follicle to a mature follicle. And this takes place between day 1 to day 14, where progesterone increases and the development of endometrium start forming. Around about day 14, ovulation takes place. This is where the rupturing of the follicle occurs and is released. The hormone responsible for this is the luteinizing hormone, which the hypophysis also stimulates, and the endometrium line thickens and progesterone and is somewhat balanced. We come to luteal phase. This is after day 14, day 15. This is the formation of a corpus luteum. A corpus luteum is a temporary endocrine gland which forms after ovulation and gets stimulated by the luteinizing hormone. Progesterone increases as it is ready for implementation to take place. Let's roughly look what the uterine cycle is all about. That's usually where how the endometrium line changes or undergo its changes over time. We know that the endometrium line consists of glands and blood vessels. Over time or during your period, your endometrium line starts disintegrating as it is not fertilized. Progesterone and progesterone is secreted by the ovary, which is responsible for thickening the endometrium lining. And if fertilization don't occur, obviously the endometrium lining start breaking down. As you can roughly see how both cycles work and how I explained that how day 1 gets progressed to day 28 and what happens afterwards. It's a repetitive phase that it goes through and it's a every 28-day thing. You can see things you need to know. Only one follicle is fully matured every cycle. The others is disintegrated or degenerates. After your corpus luteum is formed, if implementation don't occur, the corpus luteum disintegrates after day 24. And the cycle continues all over again. Menstrual cycle, your period start again, endometrium lining start shedding, and so it goes on. This process is important, FOLP, as this is how it start forming. FSH, progesterone. LH, progesterone. Yeah, that roughly sums up both cycles in less than 5 minutes. As you can see, it's as simple as just looking at a diagram and understanding all the hormones. Thank you. Enjoy your evening further.